Hello guys, I'm going to show you how to make an Instagram bio. First of all, you have to open your Instagram account and then you have to click profile menu here. And after you click your profile, you have to click edit profile. Okay, you can click edit profile here. And you can click bio here. Okay, and then you can type everything you want here. For example, I'm going to type like this. And you can also add your another Instagram account here. And you can also add hashtags like this. Yeah. And then after you finish writing, you can click this icon, this checklist icon, okay? Click the checklist. And you have to click the checklist again. And okay, the bio is ready right now. And that was the tips from me, guys, and see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.